Before SpacesEDU, we used to use FreshGrade. So pretty much my whole teaching career, I have been using digital documentation. I am the one that actually brought it to my school my first year, but then FreshGrade went kaboot, and so then we had to find something else. And then so that's how we came to Spaces. But I don't really know teaching without digital documentation. It's just always been part of my practice. For me, the biggest thing is the homeschool connection, so that the families know what's happening at school. If they ask their kid, oh, what did you do at school, and they say nothing, then if they look at Spaces and could say, oh, I saw that your teacher posted this video or this assignment that you did, tell me about it, that kind of thing. Some of the most activity I get from parents is when we're just posting pictures or videos of what's going on in the classroom. I am a Disney classroom teacher, and so prior to me leaving for my maternity leave, I did a Disney day with them. We all dressed up in our Disney attire, and so as you can see from this, we got a lot of interactions from parents and comments from parents. It shows that the parents really like these kinds of posts and they interact with these kinds of posts. It's been a couple of times when I've attached like proficiencies to what the assignments were. Parents were like, oh, we really need to work on this kind of thing. And then once I posted like an updated version a couple weeks later, they could see the progress right away from that, and they could show that they were working on it at home, and then they could see that progress and they were happy for their child. I feel, especially for my class, my parents really know where their students are at in terms of progress, because I'm continuously posting stuff throughout the term instead of just getting something at the end of the term with the learning updates. So it's not like it's a surprise when they get to the learning update. They've already seen the progress throughout the year and know what they can work on with their kids at home. So now, because I don't have to post everything, it saves a lot of time on my end. I have the poster in my room by the iPads that gives the step-by-step, but they don't really even need that step-by-step anymore. They just know how to do it. They grab their QR code, they grab the iPad, and then they take their picture or pictures of their work, and then they post it, and then I get the alerts that they posted it, and then I can look at it and reflect on it after. If they know that they're posting it and that their parents are going to see it right away, I think it's just that like instant acknowledgement of it, rather than like in the couple weeks when it goes home, or at the end of the year when it finally goes home kind of thing, and their parents might not see it for a while. That way, if they went home that day, their parents probably, or hopefully, are going to ask them about what they posted. Or they're going to say, I posted this on Spaces, and then get their parents to go on and look at it. For example, for this student, when I assessed her back in November, she only got developing, and you could see with the yellow highlighter what she could get then. And so I had posted that one in November for parents to see. And then I reassessed her in December to see her progress, and so I did that progress in the pink, and so then this is a great visual for parents to see exactly the progress, and for the child to know their progress too. So within this, especially when it comes to like our end of term reporting, it's easy for me to just go to the tag that I want and see their progress and see what they can do. So for example, I can just do it by addition and subtraction to 100 and filter it, and then I can see all the ones that I posted with that. So the ones that I tagged, you can see it, and then it's easy for me to see just straight up from here of how they did within that. I prefer all things digital, so this was an easier way for me because I had already posted it instead of doing it in two places. Spaces is the best way to establish that homeschool connection. It allows us to connect with the parents and let them become involved in their child's learning. It also advocates for the student to become more accountable for their learning by doing their own posts. And so just post.